over here we got my refrigerator. There's the stove. And the most important feature of the house here is this dishwasher. And who doesn't want to use their favorite appliance like 24/7? I mean, come on. And the best way I found to use it is for storage. Looky here. We got tea pitchers. We got our cupcake containers. My husband just loves cupcakes. Got his grilling tools down there. Rolling pin. Up top here, we got pie plates to go with that rolling pin. We got a cheesecake pan. Yeah, so it works real nice. I'm very glad I have this feature in the house. It even comes with bonus toys for the kids to play with. We got these little buttons. And over here, look at that. The thing twirls all around. And even it makes noise. It's just so cool. They get so excited when they turn that on. Yeah, I just love doing dishes.